6. I'm gonna work till I shout, till I shout. What?
As we commence the departure of our main engine for stroke, we've encountered negative 206 temperature on exhaust gas temperature on cylinder number 4. So we checked the alarm and we verified that the alarm is coming on the cylinder number 4. So at first we think that the temperature sensor for exhaust gas cylinder number 4 is disconnected or being cut. So we decided on this condition to check the temperature sensor on cylinder number 4 on our 4-stroke MAN B&W main engine. And check those parameters. Here is the RPM of our main engine. We have 450, the HP cool water 2.9, the LT cool water 3.2 bar, LT water charge by 7.9 with charge air of 24.2 bar, and lube oil engine of 4.8 bar. As you can see here, we have also the lube oil turbocharger 1.8 and fuel oil of 10.6 bar. We have here also some alarm start blocking, and in here is our control maneuvering command for our main engine. Our engine is a propeller, have a propeller pitch from which we started it without moving the vessel. So as you will see, this is our cylinder number 4 system. I check all the sensors, all the cables are intact, and we check the sensor for the exhaust valve. So in here we have 1.7 volts, and on the other side we have also 1.4 volts. So we compare the voltages on cylinder 3. We have 7.7 and we have also 7.0. Further check, we remove the 2 cable and other 2. So the forward sensor is checked by measuring its resistances. We compare the resistance of our cylinder 4 exhaust valve sensor. We have here 80.7 and other side is 0.7. That is a cylinder number 3. And as we compare with the exhaust gas cylinder number 4, we have less. We have 0.5, and other 2 wire we have 0.5. So it is verified that our sensors for cylinder exhaust gas temperature number 4 is not broken. With the help of engineers, are doing and replacing the malfunction fuel injector valve.
Ano naging problema, bakit nagpalit ng injector? Yan.
Based on findings, nag-airbound yung injector natin. Dahil naka-fuel tayo at matagal tayong nakatambay sa puerto, about 1 week.
2 weeks.
Maybe 2 weeks. So that's why na-cause ng airbound.
Airbound?
So nung napalitan, naging okay na siya.
Yung ginawang solution para magkaroon ng pressure yung fuel injector. Kaya pala nag-negative yung temperature doon kahapon.
So, kasi hindi siya nagpa-fire. Mahina yung combustion niya. Nakikita din no tinesting natin yung exhaust nung binuksan natin yung test cap, mahina talaga compare sa iba.
Yun. Kaya ang ginawa ko dyan, habang nag-check ako ng sensor, ayan sila, yung mga engineers natin, si third engineer at saka si engine oiler. Ayan o. Ayan o.
Si Coco Martin.
Ayan, shout out mga guys. Yan ang
unexpected
emergency and unexpected job
Madalian.
Dali ang gawa. Shout out.
Shout out sa mga taga Bohol. Sino ba taga Bohol dyan? I love you.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Shout out kay
Shout out Hopsters Basketball Club.
yun.
Sa mga TFC subscribers.
Sa Conchip V. Lahat.
Ano yun? Iniikitan nyo.
Ayan. Kung yung sa threaded piece yung una, tapos
Ito ano to?
ayan
Yan
yung
yung
injector
injector.
natin na defective.
Ito yung ano niya, special tool. Pabunod.
Tapos
This is the nozzle tip.
Yung spacer niya, naiwan.
Tapos
Well, nakuha na yun.
Pero nakuha na.
yun.
Ayos na.
Sino yun? Shout out.
Wala
Shout
akong
out
ganyan,
dyan.
oh.
Yun yung Peter natin na malupit.
Yung naka-t-shirt na black, sino yan?
Yan yung onesie.
Yung pamalakasan ako.
Pangmalakasan yan.
Second engineer JL sa Bloodline. Yung mga mahilig magmanok dyan, order na kayo kay JL Bloodline. Yan o. Ayun, tapos yung tinesting na yung makina, okay na.
Yung pag-testing natin, okay na siya agad. Meron na siyang pressure.
Ilan ba yung pressure dapat yan?
Sa concept, sa injector, taas yan.
350 bars.
Higit pa sir. Higit pa.
Maximum 450 bars.
Ganun.
Temperature dapat
Sa temperature, mga 370, 380.
Magdepende sa pitch.
Dapat
yan,
patas.
banto mo na yan.
Ayan, yan yung deviation.
Initial start up.
Yung pagkakaiba ng kanya, mga temperature. Naalala mo siya pagka masyado mataas na yung deviation.
Tapos
So ayun, nakita natin malaro na yung number ko. Kasi wala talaga siyang firing.
then nag-normal na siya. After replacing the fuel injector.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa tulong ni third engineer, second engineer, kay engine wiper namin. Promoted to as oiler sa susunod na kontrata.
Oh.
Promoted as arm guard.
Shout out dyan sa Orione Pro Management Incorporated.
Monaco.
Monaco.
30 minutes, bunot. Injector lang.
Ang time ano nila period 1 hour pero nakuha nila ng 30 minutes. Ganun sila kabilis. Ganun sila kalupit.
Kasi ko na kasi yun sir. Practice na talaga eh. Talagang pinaganda na yun eh.
Ha?
Anong advice mo sa mga engineers?
Magbasa ng manual.
Pag nagpalit ng fuel injector, ano yung i-check?
Sa pagpapalit naman ng fuel injector, yung dapat talaga i-con muna yun sir. I-calibrate muna bago ipalit. Pagka matagal na siyang i-calibrate, na-calibrate, tapos in-stock mo, pwede rin yung mag-cause ng problema. Basta bago ikabit, isalpak.
Mababa siya yung linyada.
I-con talaga, i-calibrate muna talaga bago isalpak.
Bago isalpak. Para hindi mag-stack up yung mga mechanical parts.
Para sure ka na din.
Yun. Ayan guys, sa vlog na ito, marami kayong matutunan. Subscribe na sa ETR Educational Vlog.
Bye guys.
Hopsters Basketball.
Ano yun?
Hopsters Basketball.
Obsters Basketball Team. Anong
Club.
lugar?
Sa Cebu, sa Cebu.
Sabihin mo.
Shout out Hopsters Basketball Club sa Barangay Guba, Cebu City. Duwa niya tagmayog basket uli na ko.
Center yata to, matangkad ka din, no?
Malamit sa basketball yan sir.
Oh. Sa Biskaya, yung mga magsisibuyas dyan. Nueva Biskaya. Dali.
Sa Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija pala.
Sa mga taga Nueva Ecija dyan. Shout out.
Sa barangay
Shout out.
Barangay Bibiglat.
Ibiglat.
Bibiglat, malupit.
Anong school yun?
Ay, mga classmate ko dyan sa Nueva Ecija sa Midway. Hopes.
Batch 2000.
Ano kami nung graduate?
2017.
2017. Ay, no, hindi pala sa 2013 pala kami nag-graduate. Almost 9 years na. Ayun, so, okay naman to, no?
Okay mga sensor.
Mga sensor. Check
Chinig ko eh. Kala ko naputol kasi normally pag nagne-negative yung temperature.
Wala talaga.
Kaya nag-maximum, napuputol yung sensor. Pero okay naman siya. Kinompare ko 0.7, 0.7. Yung number 3, tapos yung number 4, 0.5, 0.5. Kaya verified, walang problema sa sensor. Ang problema, nakita doon sa
Mechanical.
fuel injector na nag-malfunction. Mechanical part.
I-release mo yan, Sir Lee.
YouTube.
Sa Facebook din. Para ma-share ba? Maganda din sa Facebook.
Oh. Okay
Wala
guys.
talaga.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. ETO ETR. Problema, nakita doon sa
Mechanical.
fuel injector na nag-malfunction. Mechanical part.
I-release mo yan, Sir Lee.
YouTube.
Sa Facebook din. Para ma-share ba? Maganda din sa Facebook.
Oh.
And here is the main engine monitor, and as you can see, our engine now is running with 502, 501, 500 revolution per minute, and the HT cool inlet engine pressure is 3.7, 3.8 bars. We have the LT cool water charged air with 3.1 bar, and we have also the control air about 8.0 bar, and we have the lube oil engine 4.7 bar pressure, and we have also the nozzle cool water pressure 3.2 bars, charge air 1.9 bars, starting air 26.4 bar, lube oil turbocharger 1.6 bar, and main engine fuel oil 9.6 bars. So this is our main monitor for our main engine, and we are running, and as you can see, if you press this button, you will find the 63.8, 64.9, 64.5, 64.4, 65.5, 66.3. That is the splash oil temperature of our cylinder 1 to 8. We have also the splash oil mean value temperature deviation with negative 0.5, positive 0.2, positive 0.3, and positive 0.5, and positive 0.4. You will also see the splash oil sensor status, and everything is okay. So that's it, guys, and this is our maneuvering order command for our Alpatronic 2000 for our 4-stroke main engine. As you will find here, you can find the local control, the engine control, and that is our maneuvering level. So this is our indicators that you must need to be familiarized with while the engine is running, and I hope that these technical videos that I created, you've learned and gained knowledge on it. Thank you for watching, and God bless all to all aspirant ETR, ETO, and engineers on ship. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, ETO, ETR Educational Vlogs. Maraming salamat po.
container ship. Yan, taas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, 4 high. Ito yung crane. Yun, no? Kashi.
For you to have a good health while generating a remarkable wealth, please purchase Ozonizer 2C, which was distributed by Life Formula Synergy Incorporated, located at G5 ADB Tower, ADB Avenue, Ortigas, Pasig City. Attend free trainings and seminars from Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. in the morning up to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Thank you very much once again. Mabuhay kayong lahat.